I am trying to make my lookbooks a little more entertaining, yet a little shorter. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video. Welcome to my channel. I got a package because I purchased some pants. Package of purchased pants, y'all. My package came yesterday. Yesterday was the 17th. I actually ordered my items on the 11th. SHEIN is right on time, right on the money. I was not expecting the package so soon, but in the back of my head, I know how SHEIN works, and I typically get my packages super quick. It never takes a full 2 weeks. It barely takes a full 1 week. If you need an outfit in the nick of time, SHEIN might be the place to consider because you know you can find what you're looking for. Not to mention, you've got a good 7-day window for that bad boy to get here. So I would recommend SHEIN. Definitely wouldn't recommend Runway because for me that's always a hit or miss. You could be waiting like 3 days or you could be waiting like 3 weeks. It just depends on what you got. And I have some pants. So I'm gonna open them on camera for y'all so y'all can see what they look like and get my first impressions. Here's the package. This is the plaid that I purchased. I also purchased a green pair. These green pants look so cute on the model. I hope they can fit me the same. Then I got a burgundy pair. This burgundy good. I don't really know what to expect with this one. I just hope, I can rock it. I know you can't see through the packaging, but I'm including the picture on the screen. But this is just like, an unboxing, so I gotta do it like that. The last pair of pants that I purchased are jean style. I don't actually think they're jean textured. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and try these on for you. It's time for the look book. Y'all already saw this coming. Bye.